we had to get out to run to the bank. I'm pretty sure the guy on the news said there was no way, even if we barely got any snow, it would stick. Well, he lied. And the lady at the bank was not friendly. Like, we just pull up, she doesn't say anything. She didn't say, I was surprised she said thank you when she handed you back your receipt.
I shouldn't have put that stuff in there. I should have waited until she asked what I wanted.
You should have. What was she doing? It looked like she was reading magazine or something. She was not friendly. But, stupid snow.
So the roads are clean.
That is true. But I didn't think we were supposed to get any, so thank you, Mr. Weatherman. I don't even remember what channel it was on, but lies. Just lies. Right, it was the Louisville station, actually.
And Indy.
Huh?
So we're right in the middle.
That is true. It was the Louisville station, though, that gave the weather forecast. But I guess they can be wrong every day and still have a job. Didn't make sense. So we were coming down to her grandma's after we ran on. She got Subway for dinner. She sees a bunch of people outside the school with signs. So the first thing, obviously, she thinks is, are they picketing outside the school? Clearly, they're selling Girl Scout cookies. But apparently she thought that they were picketing. Crush ice, crush. On a positive note, though, the snow is gone. But, finally. So he only halfway lied. But it didn't ever really stick to the roads, which is good. But.
Yeah, because there's like, how much sand down?
There's so much sand on your road. It's ridiculous. But at least there's no snow outside.